Hi there. So today I'm going to be sharing with you the 2 homes in the Utah Valley Parade of Homes that were in Alpine, Utah, and we're going to go ahead and get started right now. Mariah Koehle here. Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if this is your first time. Glad you are here. This channel is literally everything you need to know about eating, playing, working, sleeping, and living in the Salt Lake City, Utah area. If that is of interest to you, consider subscribing down below so you don't miss a thing. We hear from people like you all the time that are relocating or looking to make a move here to Utah, and we absolutely love it. So if you are thinking about making a move, feel free to give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email, and we'd be happy to connect with you. Okay, so I'm super excited to share with you the only 2 homes in the Utah Valley Parade of Homes that was in Alpine, Utah this year. So typically in the Utah Valley Parade of Homes, it is just Utah Valley, but it goes all the way from Alpine down past, usually down to Mapleton, Payson, Spanish Fork areas down there. So there's quite a bit of a range. And the 2 homes in Alpine, I'm super excited to share them with you. So let's go ahead and get started. House number 1 in Alpine, Utah was built by Robinson Homes, and this one was called the Fox Den. And I've got some of the notes down here because I want to give you the exact numbers and square footage and exact bedrooms and bathrooms and stuff, and some of the things that personally I loved. And then I'm going to just take you through a tour of the house, and I'm going to show you some videos and footage of that. And I would love to know, what did you love? What would you put in your house? So first one is, so the house is almost 10,000 square feet. It's got 6 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and a half bath. The average price for a home like this is going to range you anywhere from $3 million to $3.5 million. Again, these are high-end luxury homes, so again, these builders, they build all sorts of homes. If this is the budget that you're looking for, great. If you're looking for higher, if you're looking for lower, if you're looking for something, similar, they oftentimes can work with your budget, and I can help you find a lot. I can help you connect to the builder. So that's a little bit about that. And so this first home, like I said, is called the Fox Den, and by Robinson Home Builders. Some of the features in this house, I'll actually start with the bottom. One of my favorites is the indoor sport court. I had 2 of my daughters go to the parade with me, and they were like, "Oh Mom, the indoor sport court's just so awesome." And so you've got the indoor sport court. Outside, you've got the pool, you've got the pool house. Inside the pool house, you've got a bunk room inside the pool house, which was incredible. You've got the kitchenette that's there too. Obviously, the beautiful views and the surrounding area nestled right in the heart of Alpine. A couple other my favorite features, you've got, the beautiful kitchen, you've got some really, the office areas were gorgeous. And then obviously the beautiful landscape. They had a golf simulator, which, appeals to the golfers out there. So again, I'm gonna go ahead right now. I'm going to share some video footage with you, share some pictures, and then
turn it up now.
So go ahead, comment below, what did you like best about this first Alpine Utah house? And now I'm going to move on to house number 2 of the Utah Valley Parade of Homes. And this one is also an Alpine 2. Now let me give you some of the figures on this one. I don't want to get any of this wrong. This one is by Raycon Construction. Its total square feet is right around 10,500 square feet. This one has 6 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and a half bath. And some of the features again in this one, because of the way Alpine is situated, surrounded by the mountains and beautiful areas, the landscape in the back is just second to none. You're nestled against the mountains. Beautiful pool area. Down below in the basement of this one, they had a Zen garden. They are big Warriors, Golden State Warriors fans. I'm originally from Northern California, so my parents could definitely appreciate that. I went to lots of Warriors basketball camps as a kid since my dad loves the Warriors. They are also Warriors fans. You'll see a few pictures in there with favorite jerseys, whatnot, but they had the whole gaming room down there. Like I said, the Zen garden, a little kitchenette. Upstairs, you've got vaulted, high-end, ceilings. You've got the gourmet kitchen there. They even had a pizza oven there too, which we all thought was amazing. The another one of the features too was the 6-car garage, including a lift, which was pretty incredible. And then custom steel doorways. They had accents throughout the house. And also with the gourmet kitchen, they did have 2 workstations. So they did have a prep kitchen in the back as well. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna show you some videos, show you some pictures of this house as well, and would absolutely love to know your thoughts. What did you like best? What did, if you were building your own house, any of these features that you would incorporate, I would love to know. So go ahead and comment below. So that is a wrap for the Utah Valley Parade of Homes for the 2 homes that were located in Alpine, Utah. Would love to know your thoughts and feedback on what you thought of those gorgeous homes in Alpine. If you are thinking about moving out here to Utah County or into the Salt Lake City, Utah area, please feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. I hear from people like you all the time, and I absolutely love helping you find the house that you're looking for, the builder that you're looking for, the lot that you're looking for. My team and I absolutely love it. So again, feel free to give us a call and we'd love to connect. Take care.